So in this session, we'll discuss about data-driven testing. So data-driven testing methodology where test data is driven by external data source. So in this case, we have CSV file, databases, JSON, and XML files. So we connect our test cases with those databases. It enables the execution of test scripts multiple times with different sets of data to validate application. So in this case, this approach helps to increase our test coverage and identify edge cases. So that's very useful technique. So here, let's see that there key benefits of data-driven testing. It provides reusability, scalability, efficiency, flexibility, and improved coverage. So when we talk about reusability, it means test scripts are reusable with multiple data sets. We have multiple data sets. If when we have data set in CSV or Excel file, we have rows and we can get the rows by looping over them. When we talk about scalability, new test cases can be added by simply modifying or adding data into external data sources. Efficiency reduces the number of test scripts needed to combine similar tests into single script. So we can improve the efficiency. It also provides flexibility because it can easily integrate with different types of data sources. So it also provides improved coverage because it validates the application across a broad range of inputs. So let's see the component of data-driven testing. We have three components. First is data source. So the external file or databases containing the input data. Then we have data providers, a mechanism to fetch data from data sources and feed into the test scripts. Then we have test scripts, the main code that runs the test. So steps for coding, first of all, you should have external data source you need to create. In our case, we have created Excel file. So as a precondition, you need to create Excel file and place in the project. So in the first step, you need to import OpenPy OpenPyXL. This library is used to load and read the Excel file. In the step 2, what we will do, copy the absolute path where Excel is located. We need to provide the path. And then in the step 3, we need to provide the function to read test data from Excel file. So then step 4, fill the page fields using data from Excel. Then we need to test the test. Okay, let's see the demo. Here you can see we have payload folder. In payload folder, we have test data. The test data, we have signup.xls as xlsx file. So in this file, let's see, we have first name, last name, and email. So we have one sheet which is sign up info. So let's add something in first name. Suppose let add me Barack. First name Barack and second name Obama. So save it. So first name we have A2. In A2 we have Barack and B2 we have Obama. And there is nothing in email email column. So this is C2. So let's see the code. Here we have code in test underscore example.py. We have imported Pytest, OpenPyXLS, and then we have some synchronization library. We provided the path and then Pytest function to initialize and provide a browser and page. Then this function is very important. What will do function to read test data from the Excel file. So this will get two parameters, sheet name and cell reference. So it will get data from that sheet and cells, and will return the data. Then we need in the third step, we need to fetch test data from the Excel file. So we'll provide two parameters, sheet name and cell reference. Then the last step, the test case, test underscore sign up. So in this case, browser dot go to will visit the utest.com sign up / person page, where it will fill the input first name field, will provide the first name and last name. Then we have browser.pass. So let me run it to see the output. Now browser has launched, navigated to page. It has entered the first name in the first name field and last in the last name field. So let's see. Here you can see, for example, I want to add the email. So here inspect it and see. So this field has ID email. So I will use the ID here. So first of all, let me use the function. Let me add the email here. So I added the email here. So email is added. You can see the code file is here. So here you can get the uh, copy path or reference here. This one is the path which is already provided here. So in this case, now I need to fetch the data from Excel. So let me use that function get underscore test underscore data, and I need to provide the sheet name as sheet name is sign up info. So I provided this sheet name. Then second parameter is cell. So in this case, cell is C2. You can see the C2 is in email is in C2 cell. So let me save it in some variable that can be email. So use that email. So here in the test browser, I'm here using browser context browser.fill. Here we have input field because email is input field. I will use its ID. So its ID was email. So ID is equal to email. That was ID. So email. Control S. Now run this test and see the output. Now you can see the email address barak_test.com is entered. So it was here picked from here. Even if I update something, for example, Barack Obama, I updated the email, I saved. Now you can now run it again, stop it, and run it again. You will see the email address. Now it got the new email address, barackobama@test.com. So in this case, you can get the data from external data source. That's it. Thank you. Bye.